CM. Now they want their own CM. So let's ask Dr. Surena Malhotra of Sharad Pawar NCP. Dr. Malhotra, very good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Namaskar.
Good evening. Namaskar.
तो मैम अभी किशोर तिवारी जी थे उद्धव ठाकरे जी के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, वो पुराने हमारे फार्मर एजुटेशनिस्ट हैं, पता नहीं कितने सालों से किसानों के बीच में काम कर रहे हैं, आजकल उद्धव ठाकरे जी के बीच में। उनका ये कहना है कि MBA को बतौर उद्धव ठाकरे जी को डिक्लेयर करना चाहिए कि ये हमारे मुख्यमंत्री होंगे, तभी MBA आराम से जीत सकती है। आपका क्या कहना है इसको लेकर के?
नहीं, मेरा कहना है जैसे पवार साहब ने जो बोला है कि तीनों मिलके ये महाविकास आघाड़ी का फेस है, क्योंकि तीनों को साथ में सब जो भी घटक पक्ष है वो उनको सबको साथ में लड़ना है। तो एट दिस स्टेज डिक्लेयरिंग वन पार्टी एज द हैविंग द कैंडिडेट फॉर CM, दैट आई थिंक विल नॉट बी वाइज. I mean, everybody is good. Anybody from our party, Uddhav ji, everybody has proved Congress party under Rahul Gandhi ji. So everybody is good. So that once they see, the first step is to come in power. That is a main important thing. So why have hassles during that time? And later on, whatever the senior leaders they decide, and that is going to be the perfect thing. See, we have seen Pawar said our party also can have a best मुख्यमंत्री. उद्धव जी उन्होंने भी कोविड टाइम में बहुत अच्छा काम किया, और कांग्रेस has also been there. So anybody can become later on. Why decide about it now? See what we saw in the Lok Sabha election, that united we stand, and that is what was there. We all did the prachar. We never thought कि okay, the candidate is from Congress or candidate is from Shiv Sena. We all fought together, and that is what given us a positive good result. So I think we should keep that tempo and go according to that.
You know, Supriya Sule ji had was totally जो वक़फ़ बिल लेके आए, Supriya Sule ji raised her voice. She said, you know, you can't rush with the bill. And that's what the government probably listened to her. She was totally वक़फ़ that you cannot encroach upon the rights of the Muslim community. If you do it, you need to have proper public discussion and debate, and without discussion and debate, nothing should be allowed. Last time, I think most of the bills were passed within 25 minutes of without discussion and debates, including the farm laws. So Supriya Sule was absolutely right when she said, Waqf bill, don't rush with it. Exactly. Dr. Malhotra.
Exactly. I mean, how can you rush with it? It's been there from number of years, and it is like the places which have been given by donation by somebody, by they have the religious nature. So they also have the right to have those places with them. So what is exactly required, that has to be decided by proper discussion. And I think they have also listened to that, and I think the joint committee is going to be formed for discussion in that. So this is a very bad tactic. What Supriya Tai very correctly said, that even we didn't know about it. We came to know from the media. So is this the right source? I mean, we are here to do the serious work. I mean, why should we come to know about it from the media? And that also selective things get leaked to the media. We should come to know about it from the right sources. So this is absolutely correct what she has been saying.
Ajit Pawar ji, Jan Samman Yatra, continuous Yatra, pink jackets, you know, his entire followers wearing the pink jackets. So, पूरा एक campaign चल रहा है. His bus is pink, and he says, I am going to, indirectly he said, if I was going to be made, अगर CM बनता तो पूरा party लेके जाता था. Now, is he trying to undermine Sharad Pawar ji's role in the party when he says, if I was going to be made CM, I would have taken the entire party, all the MLAs out here? That is an overconfidence on his part. How do you see that?
That is a overconfidence, and which during the earlier elections also we saw that he was making such big statements. In fact, I would say that now the real political party, this unlike that, it's looking like a corporate, something like a corporate event. So that means the BJP touch is now being seen on all these things, because I don't think Pawar Sahab or Supriya Tai or anybody from our party is going to be that, deciding one color and things like that. So basically, and as I observe that Jana word is now coming to their mind when the whole election is coming so near. Otherwise, Jana की कहाँ परवाह थी? जो अभी लाडली बहन योजना का इतना बड़ा, मतलब they are trying to do marketing about it. but what is it? Even I think the Supreme Court has said कि where do they have the money for that?
Right,
So,
but there's one thing I wanted to ask you, ma'am.
Yes.
छगन भुजबल साहब, एकनाथ शिंदे साहब,
yes,
यहाँ तक कि देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी भी इतनी ओपनली नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी हर एक कोई शरद पवार साहब की सलाह ले रहा है, एडवाइस ले रहा है
right.
कि ये मराठा आरक्षण का क्या किया जाए। तो
Yeah, exactly.
तो मतलब जब वो असल में अंदर से सबको मालूम है कि ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व सिर्फ शरद पवार साहब कर सकते हैं,
जी।
तो फिर भी मतलब बार बार शरद पवार जी को इस तरीके से अटैक क्यों करते हैं? जो बीजेपी की जो सेंट्रल लीडरशिप है यहाँ की नहीं, बार बार वो फिर भी शरद पवार साहब को क्यों अटैक करते हैं, जब सबको मालूम है कि शरद पवार साहब का यहाँ स्टेचर क्या है, क्या उनका प्रभाव है, किस तरीके से लोग उनका आदर सत्कार और सम्मान करते हैं। Then why do they attack him and keep attacking him?
They know who is the father, you know, they know who is the father. So but उनको क्या है, अभी मतलब कुर्सी के लिए उनको टेंशन हो गया है बहुत, they don't know what is going to happen and they are apprehensive. So इस चीजों में वो अटैक करने के मूड में आ जाते हैं एंड लोगों का माइंड डेविएट करने के लिए दूसरी बातें कुछ चला लेते हैं। And but we have seen that people of Maharashtra, they are no fools. They are very intelligent people, and they want Maharashtra to come up again and be the glorified state that it was. So people are not going to, you know, listen to all these things. They know what is what, definitely. Who has done for the farmers, who has done for the Mahila. They really know that. So
तो डॉक्टर मल्होत्रा, अभी अजित पवार सिंह जल कल्याण, गरीब कल्याण योजना जो भी अनाउंस किया, आई एम टेलिंग यू, ऑल फंडिंग इज देयर। सरकार के पास सुपरा फंडिंग है, कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट अधूरा नहीं छोड़ेगा। एंड इसे जितना भी योजना हमने डिक्लेयर किया, एवरीथिंग, दैट्स माय चैलेंज। एंड अजित पवार लाइक्स टू टेक चैलेंजेस, ही इज बोस्टिंग, जैसे कि अजित पवार जी कोई भी चैलेंज हो वो हासिल करके ही रहेगा, और अजित पवार जी ने जवाब दिया वो होना ही है ना। ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस, एवरीबॉडी सेइंग 8 लाख। आपका भी क्रिटिसिज्म है कि 8 लाख करोड़ डेब्ट है महाराष्ट्र सरकार में, कहां से 17 तारीख को देंगे? हाउ डू यू सी दैट डॉक्टर मल्होत्रा?
Exactly. I mean, there is so much of debt, some 8.7 or something like that, right? Correct?
Yes, exactly. 8 lakh crores.
Yes, 8 lakh crores. So इतनी सारी डेट होने के बाद कैसे देने वाले हैं? देखते हैं अभी रक्षाबंधन में they are going to give, they said that they are going to give the first installment and all that. क्या करने वाले हैं? Let's see. See,
But in principle, do you agree with it? I want to know from you, Dr. Malhotra. You're a doctor yourself. You've passed an entrance examination, and it's only after that you did your medical degree and all that. You know what it is like.
Yes.
Is it good to just give out money to people just like that? 1500 रुपए मतलब, या 2000 रुपए, और वो क्या है, वो लड़का भाव स्कीम, उसके लिए तो 8-8 हजार और 10-10 हजार की बात हो रही है। अरे आप मुझे बताइए, 18 साल का बच्चा या 19 साल का बच्चा या 20 साल का बच्चा, उसको 10,000 रुपए महीने के अगर मिल रहे हैं तो नौकरी क्यों ढूंढेगा? आप बताइए ना।
बात सही है। See, basically they should be given opportunity to they should increase the number of jobs
to earn that money. They can earn that money.
Yeah, they can earn the money. People should the students should make effort to earn the money. They should be okay. Maybe the effort should be easy, whatever, but they have to be. Everybody has to learn to work and earn money. So that process has to be easy. To work, they should get the jobs. The number of jobs have to be increased. That is something which they are not doing. And then they should earn easily. और इतना सब उनको देना ही है तो महंगाई वगैरह सब कम करो ना, तो जो भी चलो जॉब्स मिलेंगे उसमें ज्यादा अर्निंग नहीं होंगी, पर तो भी महंगाई आप कम करोगे तो मतलब तो एटलीस्ट।
But what is this new thing which has started? Dr. Malhotra, please do tell me, because I remember as soon as we passed out of the 10th standard, my father told me, listen, don't come to me for money, no pocket money, no nothing. You study, you do whatever you manage. All right? Which is why we started to do odd jobs, we started to do all sorts of things. We looked for a job as soon as we graduated, so that we would not have to depend upon our parents and not go home and say, hey, listen, I need this, I need so much of pocket money or whatever. As so was the case with all the people that we knew, whether from the middle class, lower strata, even the rich. The fact is, what are we doing to our young people? अगर आप किसी को आज से 10,000 रुपए महीने की सरकार की तरफ से लत लगा देंगे तो वो क्या काम करेगा?
क्या काम करेगा? एग्जैक्टली नहीं काम करेगा, नहीं काम करेगा। ऑफ कोर्स 10,000 इज नॉट मच, बट एट द सेम टाइम जो इजी मनी हाथ में जो आता है विदाउट डूइंग, तो आप उनको इनफैक्ट बिगाड़ रहे हैं, उनको हैबिट ऐसे डाल रहे हैं कि बाबा बैठो बैठो सरकार दे देगी, हम क्यों काम करें।
मैम फॉर अ 19 or 20-year-old it's a lot of money.
Yeah, and then they will go and spend it somewhere which is not the proper places. I remember when I was an intern, we were earning 500 rupees a month, okay, that, and then managing into that,
Yes.
at least अपना खर्चा तो कर लेते थे, बाकी तो चलो ठीक है, parents थे, but so this is a very I don't know where they are taking महाराष्ट्र को, कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं महाराष्ट्र को।
But do you think this will have an effect, मैम? जैसे लड़की बहना स्कीम जो है, अब 1,500 रुपए आपने बांट दिए, मतलब बांट दिए, चलिए कितने लाख लोगों को बांट दिए, उसके बाद क्या महिलाएं एक नाथ शिंदे साहब को एकदम वोट देंगी? क्या एकदम सब कुछ भूल भाल के सीधा शिंदे साहब को वोट देंगी?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता, क्योंकि ये सब इवन सब लेडीज को भी पता है कि ये कितने दिन चलने वाला है, चलेगा 1 महीना 2 महीना, इलेक्शन के बाद में दे विल हाथ ऊपर करेंगे, बोलेंगे अभी पैसे है नहीं, हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं। ये ही जैसा बीजेपी तो हमेशा बड़े बड़े प्रोमिसेस करते आए हैं, अकाउंट में पैसे आने वाले थे 15 लाख सबके अकाउंट में, तो कहाँ हुआ है? तो प्रॉमिस करने में उनको क्या जाता है, बट एवरीबडी नोज दैट दे आर लिसनिंग। हाई कोर्ट इज आल्सो आस्किंग, द सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज आस्किंग, एवरीबडी इज आस्किंग वेयर इज द मनी। महाराष्ट्र पे इतना सारा कर्जा है, लोग तो सुनते ही है ना, ये सब पढ़ते ही है ना, एवरीबडी नोज व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, एवरीबडी इज अवेयर ऑफ द न्यूज एंड ऑल द थिंग्स, तो वो भी सोचेंगे क्या है, ठीक है लेंगे, सब लोग अप्लाई करेंगे। मैं ये नहीं बोलती कि कोई अप्लाई नहीं करेगा, वे भी हमारे कट्टर कार्यकर्ता शायद ना करे, बट बाकी सबको हम लोग भी बोले अप्लाई करने में क्या है, अप्लाई करो, बट डोंट गेट फूल्ड इनटू ऑल दीस थिंग्स,
प्रदीप जी,
Dr. Molato, you got a problem. Sharad Pawar Saab went and met Eknath Shinde ji, and he's been meeting continuously Eknath Shinde ji, and that is also sending some wrong signals elsewhere. Pawar Saab और Eknath Shinde ji बार-बार क्यों मिल रहे हैं? And last meeting that Sharad Pawar Saab went, there were अडानी के ऑफिशियल्स भी थे, अडानी के ऑफिशियल्स वो ऑफिशियल्स जो धारावी प्रोजेक्ट में से रिलेटेड है, वो they were saying they were in the meeting, and Uddhav Thackeray ji, Sanjay Raut, came out and then said धारावी प्रोजेक्ट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी देयर, अडानी को हम ये धारावी प्रोजेक्ट से बाहर करेंगे। नाउ यहाँ पर आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम होने वाला है। पवार साहब इज वेरी क्लोज टू अडानी एंड दे आर सेइंग दैट अडानी ऑफिशियल्स वर देयर इन द लास्ट मीटिंग and very aggressive. Uddhav Thackeray ji and entire Uddhav UBT is aggressive about Adani. तो ये कैसे आप मैनेज कर पाएंगे डॉक्टर मल्होत्रा?
तो दैट इवन धारावी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए हम लोग भी जब शिवसेना ने मोर्चे बिर्चे निकाले थे, तो हम लोग, हमारी पार्टी भी उसमें गई थी, हमारी पार्टी भी उनके साथ में गए, मोर्चे में गए, सो वी वर आल्सो देयर along with them, fighting for the same cause. At the same time, Pawar Saab is meeting the CM. That is because of the आरक्षण के मुद्दे पे उनकी जो मतलब गांठ-बेट हो रही है. This is what we have come to know, that they were meeting for that आरक्षण के मुद्दे कैसे solve करने का, क्या करने का. As you know that they are taking his advice. So this is what.
But do you think they'll be able to solve it, or have they gone too far, or is it that they will wait for the elections and then let's see what happens? Is that what the strategy is going to be?
Solve the Pawar साहब ने पहले ही बोला कि मतलब that has to be solved by a special session in the center, and it has to be legally seen how they can increase the total reservation, whether they can increase or not the total percentage.
Exactly what Rahul Gandhi is suggesting.
Yeah, only then they can, I think, solve it. Anyway, that's up to the senior leaders how they will do it. But getting into the OBC thing, that is going to be a problem.
That is the stand. That is what they are asking. The BJP is asking Sharad Pawar Saab stand. बोले पवार साहब आप स्टैंड बताइए, क्या मराठा का कोटा ओबीसी में देना चाहिए, नहीं देना, और नहीं, बिकॉज शरद पवार साहब इज टेकिंग हिज ओन टाइम एंड पेशेंस, तो बार बार अलग अलग मराठा टुकड़ों को वहां पर भेजना, पवार साहब के घर के पास भेजना, Now you say, how do you see the entire thing?
So the ultimately जो भी डिसीजन होगा, यदि कुछ डिसीजन लेते तो उसको लेबल करेंगे कि ये पवार साहब ने डिसाइड किया. You see, they whatever जो anger or something, they want to put the blame on Pawar Saab, or oh it was his suggestion and all that. So these people they are all tricky people. What they will be planning and plotting, we don't know.
They are accusing, बोले कि ये शरद पवार जी का प्लांट है, because देखो मनोज जरांगे पाटिल दररोज every day every hour he is abusing फडणवीस, देवेंद्र फडणवीस, ये देवेंद्र फडणवीस के आदमी है, देवेंद्र फडणवीस है, बोला the same things he is never using for Sharad Pawar ji, he is never using for Uddhav Thackeray ji, he is never using for the Congress.
Yeah, but अभी सरकार में वो लोग हैं, so naturally they are supposed to answer ना, they are the main people who are in the सरकार. जब हमारी सरकार आ जाएगी तो मनोज जरंगे पटेल can ask our people कि what has to be done and then have a dialogue about it. Now it is naturally it is going to be these people and उन्होंने अभी कितना टाइम लगा दिया है, कब से चालू है, ये आंसर वो आंसर, so there is nothing coming out of the whole thing. So naturally the frustration is going to be there for them.
But this reservation thing is becoming very tense, ma'am.
Yes, it is becoming very tense, and he's also suspicious that somebody will do the patthar fake, somebody will instigate trouble in between. So now this is a very this matter is.
और उसके ऊपर अभी ये तो चलो अच्छा हुआ कि JPC यानी जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी बनाई जा रही है, जिसमें ये वक्फ बोर्ड अमेंडमेंट बिल जो लाया गया है आज उसको भेज दिया गया है। अब वहां पर भी कांग्रेस भी यही कहती है और सुप्रिया सुले जी ने भी यही कहा है that why are you targeting Muslims all the time? What's the matter with you?
Exactly.
We have so many other problems in this country. कर क्या रहे हैं आप?
Very true. Exactly. I mean, is this a big problem? What is the big problem? बेरोजगारी है, महंगाई है, ये सारे सब इतने सारे problems है.
And there are floods. There are floods in Maharashtra, ma'am.
There are floods in Maharashtra. The महंगाई मतलब लोगों का जो क्या बोलते हैं ना, यूजिंग द दिस थिंग 73% उनका वो ऊपर गया हुआ है, लोगों का मतलब खर्चा वगैरह 73% ऊपर गया हुआ है, और उनकी सैलरी जो है वो 37% नीचे आ गई है, मतलब उसके अर्निंग्स. तो कैसे बैलेंस करेंगे लोग? ये सब इम्पोर्टेंट चीजें हैं, इसके बारे में तो सोचते ही नहीं है. दे डाइवर्ट डिफरेंट थिंग्स.
तो आज की तारीख में जो सारा दिन डिस्कशन चला है हर जगह पे, दो चीजों पे चला है. एक तो विनेश फोगट
जी
जिनको डिस्क्वालीफाई कर दिया गया. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि वापस जो आर्बिट्रेशन काउंसिल जो है वो उनको एटलीस्ट सिल्वर मेडल तो दे ही देगा. द एंटायर कंट्री होप्स दैट. और दूसरी चीज क्या है? दूसरी चीज ये वक्फ बिल है. Nobody is talking about price rise. Nobody is talking about floods. Nobody is talking about poverty alleviation. No one is talking about what is the boost that is going to be provided for the industry. और MSMEs बंद हुए हैं मैम, irrespective of anything. You look at, forget MSMEs, even small nukkad shops that used to be there all over Mumbai. You are staying in Mumbai. You would know that Bania shop next door, it's closed down. It's gone. Can you hear me, ma'am?
No, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, better.
Right. What I'm saying is that even the Bania shop next door, छोटी सी जो दुकान होती थी, किराने की जो दुकान होती थी, which used to be open till 11:30, 12 o'clock in the night, even that is gone. It's not there anymore.
Nothing, hardly anything we see nowadays. Then they are not even. Maharashtra say some 17 projects have gone to Gujarat. Maharashtra say. So how are there going to be any jobs, which we were hoping that there would be any new jobs? So वो तो मिलते ही नहीं है. And ये 7 दुष्काल जो हमने बोला, जो बाढ़ वगैरह सब है, 73% of the area of total Maharashtra is now being affected by all this flooding and all that. So ये सब मैनेजमेंट ही नहीं है.
And even पुणे, जिसके गार्डियन मिनिस्टर अजीत दादा पवार हैं, Pune has never seen such floods.
It was so horrible. Pune, I mean, absolutely, it has never happened. What is happening everywhere, and everything, the whole infrastructure everywhere is collapsing. There is a encroachment everywhere, which is absolutely unchecked encroachment. There has to be some thoughtfulness about the whole thing. जो बोलते थे ना, नाले बिले उसके ऊपर भी बिल्डिंग बनाई जाती है, उसको बंद किया जाता है. So naturally it's going to be seen na, the whole thing. So planning as such, there is no proper planning.
Everybody got shocked when Sharad Pawar ji said that Maharashtra ka Manipur nahi hona chahiye, and there is every possibility that Maharashtra will turn into Manipur. And that's a very shocking statement coming from a very, very senior leader. And he will never tell anything without any proper study. और जिस प्रकार शरद पवार साहब के immediate reaction सब जगह, BJP आलोचना करने लगे, राज ठाकरे जी आलोचना करने लगे, शरद पवार साहब को देखना पड़ेगा, उनके कंधे पर है कि महाराष्ट्र मणिपुर नहीं बन जाए। हाउ डू यू सी द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ शरद पवार साहब?
दिस इज एन क्या बोलते हैं ना, अलार्मिंग, धोखे की घंटी जो बोलते हैं ना, वो सब लोग ने ये लेनी चाहिए। बिकॉज ट्रूली महाराष्ट्र इज नाउ बिकमिंग अ वेरी डिफरेंट स्टेट। एवरीवेयर देयर इज, सब जगह पे अराजकता है। There is so much of scare. The ladies are scared. There is so much of drug problem coming up, and everywhere there is arajakta. The Gruha Mantralaya is really not doing anything to keep the whole thing peaceful. They should actually actually act on it, but nothing is being done. Everywhere nothing. Even small startups के लिए भी 60% बजट कम कर दिया है। So कैसे, मतलब लोग कैसे रहेंगे?
मैम, हेल्थ बजट इज डाउन, हेल्थ बजट इज डाउन, एजुकेशन बजट इज डाउन।
ट्रू।
व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन हियर? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड।
फार्मर्स को तो देखे ही नहीं।
फार्मर एलोकेशंस आर डाउन।
हाँ, द अनियन की पॉलिसी है, उस पे एक्सपोर्ट के लिए बंदी डालना। व्हाट अबाउट, मतलब फॉर व्हाई? सोयाबीन पे है, देन मिल्क का जो अनुदान दिया है वो भी उनको बराबर मिलता नहीं है।
And as Kishore Tiwari ji was telling us just now, almost 40% of the cotton crop this time has been destroyed.
हाँ,
बारिश की वजह से जो कपास की जो खेती हुई है 40% के करीब इस बार कम होने वाली है। तो कहां से ये सब, मतलब, और इन सब चीजों के बारे में मिसेस मल्होत्रा कोई बात नहीं कर रहा है। Nobody is talking about all this. Why is that?
That is the reason they are diverting, because they don't have the answers, they don't have the management. जैसे पवार साहब ने जैसे खेती के लिए, जब लोग फार्मर्स के लिए जितना कुछ किया, so these people are not able to do that, all those things. So that's the reason they take out some other topics, divert. पवार साहब को criticize करते हैं, सुप्रिया देव को, मतलब these are all the divergent tactics which they come out with.
Mr. Amit Shah, when he was here, he said the one man who institutionalized corruption in Maharashtra is Sharad Pawar.
And what is proved? Nothing has been proved. Supriyata has always said, she has challenged, आपको जो इंक्वायरी करनी है तो करो। ये तो इलेक्शन नजदीक आते तो all these allegations are going to increase.
नहीं, क्योंकि 11 साल बीजेपी की सरकार रही है, भाई अभी भी चल रही है, 11वां साल है। अभी तक तो कुछ हुआ नहीं, तो अभी तक मतलब कुछ तो होना चाहिए था ना, मतलब what has happened?
Exactly. ये सब बातें हैं जो लोगों ने देखा है। अभी लोकसभा इलेक्शन में people have seen the whole thing and they are still doing the same thing.
Well, good for you if they keep doing it. If they keep doing that, that's good for you.
I hope so.
Right. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much, Dr. Malhotra. Thank you very much for joining us. Great pleasure as always talking to you. Namaskar. All the very best to you. Thank you, ma'am. Well, that is just about it then. As far as tonight's show is concerned, Pradeep ji.
बिल्कुल सर,
आज के शो में सिर्फ इतना ही।
यस।
और जहाँ तक के वक्फ बोर्ड के अमेंडमेंट का सवाल है, it has gone to the JPC. First the joint parliamentary committee will have to be constituted. The speaker will have to constitute the joint parliamentary committee. The rules will have to be framed. Then meetings will have to be held, and then the recommendations of the JPC will come to the Lok Sabha. It's only after that we will see where we stand.
But every bill needs to have a proper discussion and
That's
debate,
right.
because you don't know which segment is suffering and what are the real problems. And you got हमारे पूरे parliament में you got a wide segment from all segments of the society. The MPs are coming. तो जो जिस सेगमेंट को तकलीफ है, उस तकलीफ कभी-कभी सरकार के दिमाग में नहीं आता है, उनके विजन में नहीं है। तो you need to have a discussion to understand it and address to the problems. If there is a problem, clear the doubts.
Just one small thing, Pradeep जी, वो जो लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन्स टैक्स के ऊपर जो इंडेक्सेशन रिस्टोर किया गया था, दैट इंडेक्सेशन इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल फॉर NRIs, बाय द वे, ओनली फॉर इंडियन सिटीजन्स. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ NRIs who have properties over here. They will have to go in accordance with the new rules. कि मतलब उसको उनको long term capital gains tax will have to be paid at 20%, irrespective of anything. At 12.5%, irrespective of anything. Those who have been holding property over here and are here and are in India, indexation will be available to them, not to NRIs. So that benefit is only for people who are here. Well, that's just about it in tonight's show. आज के शो में सिर्फ इतना ही. और वो घंटी भी बज गई है।
That's the Irish
Subscribe.
clock that strikes 3.
सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें चैनल को जरा सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, जैसे प्रदीप जी ने कहा आयरिश क्लॉक दैट स्ट्राइक्स 13, तो जरा सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें चैनल को, कमेंट जरूर भेजें। Oh God, we got a lot of comments on that Vada Pav girl that we
Yes,
interviewed.
yes, yes.
So we'll take them up
We got
tomorrow.
a lot of responses and a lot of forwards where Vada Pav is concerned.
That's right. So we'll take a look at that. And most of the comments were very derogatory, by the way. They were not nice. In any event, it's your channel. आपको जो भी लिखना हो, please लिखिए.
In various social media things, other platform of ours, the Big Boss has forwarded this particular thing.
Fantastic.
Interviews.
Fantastic. So that's just about it from both Pradeep ji and myself. You keep watching Nation Now. We'll of course be back with you tomorrow. तब तक के लिए नमस्कार. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय भवानी, जय शिवाजी, वंदे मातरम,
Vande Mataram.
जय सिया राम, हर हर महादेव.
Har Har Mahadev.